Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can link Uplay account with your Steam account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just left top corner to settings and account linking. Remind me of account linking next time I launch a Steam game. When you have it, go to your Steam and let's just go to library and let's just, I don't know, oh, it's updating. So now what you want to do is when it's going to finish the game Rainbow Six Siege, all you have to do is just simply play the game, start the game, and it will automatically sign with your Uplay account. And that's pretty much it. And this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask down in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.